Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Green Country Customs here. I'm Jeff. We're going to be doing a paint session. If this is the first time visiting, thanks for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, much appreciated that you continue to follow the channel. We're going to be doing a crawl pattern today. We've got some old bomber lures that was sent to us, and they wanted in on a pattern that I call the Firetiger Craw. Stick around, we're going to spray some paint. Well, I don't know if I got my camera on. If we didn't, what we've done is we've done a fluorescent green. I said the battery was about to die, but wow, what a deal. We put our yellow on. We put on 2 coats of fluorescent green, and now we're just going to darken it up a little bit. So base coat white, yellow sides, orange belly, and you missed all of that. So we're just darkening it up a little bit. I'm not sure if we missed it or if the button didn't get pushed or what happened, but either way, we got some technical difficulties going on. So, anyhow, Firetiger Craw, we'll give you a shot of what we're doing from here on out. So we're just going to lay on our old trusty pattern here. Mainly spraying on the stencil, fading it in. We're also going to put some texture inside this crawl pattern. Got our crawfish eyes. Now I'm going to flip this around. Readjust. Because we're going to put a little detail on the belly. Isn't that fitting in there very good? I actually painted this bait less than a minute ago. And now my little detail, there it is. got stuck up underneath there. All right. So for this pattern, I like doing the segments on the belly. And that gives us our Firetiger Craw. Get it back in frame here for you. So let me recap it. White base coat, transparent yellow. This is what you missed on the lower half, down into the belly region. And you come over it with a fluorescent green on the top. Let it blend into the sides with that yellow. Fluorescent orange on the belly. Black craw markings on the belly and on the sides with some creature features texture. And there you have the Firetiger Craw. Not sure that I've had this one on the channel in a long time, or if all. So hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for stopping in, and leave comments as to what you think about this bait. What's the best watercolor in your region to throw the Firetiger? And we'll see you next week.